Oral reading of Lesson 53. Reading practice number 3. Dear Mr. Singer, thousands of responsible taxpayers regularly pay larger federal, state, and other taxes than necessary because they do not take advantage of all the ordinary deductions to which they are entitled under the law. Paragraph. To be sure that you do not overpay your taxes this coming year, purchase a copy of Dwyer's Practical Tax Guide, period. This very useful publication contains the answers to about 500 difficult questions that taxpayers have asked during the past 10 years. Paragraph. The guide was written by Dr. Lydia White, a well-known, recognized tax expert and successful accountant, and published by the World Publication Company, period. The guide will tell you everything you should know to compute your tax satisfactorily, period. Dwyer's Practical Tax Guide sells for only $5, and, in our opinion, it is worth much more than that price, period. An order, blank, and stamped envelope are enclosed, period. Sincerely yours, reading practice number 4. Dear Mrs. Yates, this letter is your invitation to attend the newspaper Publishers Award dinner on Thursday, October 15, period. I am glad to announce that the award will be given to Mr. Frank Temple in recognition of his unusual work on the Johnson trial, period. As you may remember, Mr. Temple won the award once before. This is a symbol of dash. In 1976, period. He is only the second person ever to receive the award? Twice. Paragraph. The after dinner speaker is Dr. Carlos Lopez, who is Director of Public Relations for the General Newspaper Company, period. His subject will be recent progress in the newspaper publishing business, period. I wish that you would plan to be with us, period. I assure you that the occasion will be a particularly enjoyable and satisfying experience, period. Tickets are $10 each, period. Reservation, card, and envelope are enclosed, semicolon. I hope you will use them to send your order for tickets to us, paragraph. May I request that you do this as soon as possible so that we will be able to have some general idea of the probable number of people who will attend. Period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 5. Dear Mrs. Flint, colon. Yesterday morning, we learned from the Lincoln Real Estate Company, comma, our neighbor in the Springfield shopping center, that you have moved to house in the Royal Development on Academy Street, period. May we extend to you a special welcome, paragraph. Your new home is several short blocks away from our store, period. The next time you have an opportunity, comma, stop in at the Springfield Children's Mart and let us show you our large supply of children's clothing, period. We have a valuable welcome gift for you, period. If you would like to open a charge account with us, comma, that can be arranged quickly and efficiently, paragraph. We think, comma, Mrs. Flint, comma, that when you are settled, comma, you will certainly enjoy living in Springfield, comma, a delightful, comma, unspoiled, comma, and friendly town, period. You could not find a better place to live, period. Yours very truly. Reading practice number 6. Gentlemen, colon, your records will show that I have not yet paid my bill for $350 to cover the cost of the circulars you printed from me, period. Please understand that I have not overlooked this important bill, but I am not very difficult financial straits at the moment because of illness, period. This accounts for my being in arrears, paragraph. If it meets with your approval, I would like to work out my obligations on an installment basis, period. A suggested payment plan is enclosed, period. Is this suggestion satisfactory with you? Question mark, paragraph. Please acknowledge this letter as soon as possible so that I can go ahead and make whatever financial arrangements are necessary to satisfy my other creditors, period. Thank you for your consideration, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 7. Dear Miss Dexter, colon, the Christmas holidays are occasions for fun, but they are times for spending money as well, paragraph, with conditions as they are today, it is of great importance that you get the most for any money you spend on food, period. We at the Wilson Food Market realize that, period. Therefore, we are advertising many specials during the entire month of December, period. You will have an opportunity to buy good meats, poultry, and groceries at prices which will not strain your budget, paragraph. Come in soon, Miss Dexter, and let us help you make your holidays more enjoyable with fine foods at minimum prices, period. Sincerely yours,